their savings in the banks. But those savings then become part of the state banking system, and they are used for capital investment by the state. They're not used by the private owner of savings to make surplus value. They're deposited into a state institution, which then makes use of that capital. So in that respect, it is not any encouragement at all to capitalism.
Do you know the rate of interest?
Rate of interest is low. I don't know what it is now. It used to be in the neighborhood of 4.5%. Yeah. Yes.
During your talk, you mentioned that there was a mental lag, behind the technological or low technological progress. And I am concerned about with the speeding up of progress, and having to deal with high technology. Has there been any concern for psychological trauma, on a large scale?
Psychological trauma.
In other words, how do you synchronize this mental development with high technology for such a large population?
Yes. Again, that's a very difficult question to answer because I don't think that we've had time enough to observe the situation. High technology is being introduced into China at a very rapid rate. Sometimes one feels an alarming rate, and the social and psychological effects of that have yet to be examined. I think it's going to create problems, psychological as well as social.